Hello everyone, I'm gonna show you my library system. Here's a program that I have coded in NetBeans. So here is my main class. So it's calling my menu. Then let's run it. So the first here, welcome to library. And the first option is list all books. Then it's give me the all books that I have in my file with ID and title and author first name, author last name, and the here as well. Then it's giving me the menu back, and the second option is list books in alphabetical order. Then you can choose by title or by author name. So if you press one by title, there are there are all my books but only with titles and in alphabetical order. B, C, D, A, F, G, and give me the menu back again. So if I press two as well, so it's giving me choose by title, by the author name, and I press two again. Then it gives me the author's name in alphabetical order. Then list all students. So I have here my all students. So this is a file that I've done. So there is a 1 to 20 first name, last name, address, and phone. So search student by reference. Number 4. Then choose which reference do you want, by name or by ID. Let's do by name. So name. Then enter a student name. So Liam is my first one. So here's the result. Um, Student ID 1, first name Liam. If you do again, for again, but my name, but with no capital letter, it's gonna show me the same. There is a ignore case in my program. So let's search by ID. So number 2, enter a valid ID. So 1, 2, 3. Let's see who is in position 5. So in position 5 is the student Oshin Jones, address 88 in Lithuania, and with G's number. So number 5, search book by reference. Then which reference do you want, by title or by author name? So let's do for by title. Please enter book name, a book type, title. So Vamps. So book Vamps, ID, author first name. So if I type with no capital F, Vamps, oh, by title, the title Vamps. So it's showing the same thing. So let's copy this name. Let's search book reference 5, and with now but with author name. So now order student by reference. So it's gonna give me in the so for name, it's gonna give me the result in alphabetical order. And so number 6 again, but by ID, give me the numbers. So in crescent order, so it's starting 1 on to 20. Let's try to book up, borrow a book. 7. So enter a book name. Let's try it with Bumps as well. Bumps. So enter student name, Liam. And you have book day, book, ID, Bumps. And so this one, number 8 and number 9, I couldn't finish it. So number 9, if I search here, yeah, it's not getting the it's not getting the students there, but everything else is working. Unfortunately, I couldn't finish it with this true one. Yeah, it's getting the book, but to return the book and put someone on the waiting list, I couldn't finish. So thank you so much, but everything else is working. I hope to finish with this program. Um, but now I'm too busy with another assignment. But I wanna finish it and improve it and make it better. So maybe in the next week I'm gonna finish with this one. Thank you so much. Thank you for the opportunity to improve my knowledges in Java. I think I'm gonna I'm gonna push me myself to into this one. Yeah. Thank you so much. Everything's working without these two options here. And the number 10 is working as well. But number 10 is finally. So thank you and bye.